Google Plus marketing. You may have heard about Google Plus and how its enhanced features make it the best marketing tool for business. But what you probably haven't heard is that Google Plus is quickly becoming the only tool your business needs to create lasting, influential presence online. That's because Google Plus takes the best features of the Internet's most successful sites, including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even YouTube, and makes them work better, faster, and more efficiently. And Google Plus gives you all of these enhanced features under one roof, your Google Plus brand page. Here's how to create your Google Plus account for your business. 1. Log into your Google account. You need to be logged into your personal Google account before you can create a Google Plus page for your business. All Google services share a common login, so you can use your Gmail or Google Analytics login if you have one. 2. Start the Create Page wizard. Once you are signed in to your Google account, you can get started by accessing the Create Page wizard in one of two ways. You can visit the Google Plus business page and click on Create a Google Plus page link. Alternatively, if you have a personal profile on Google Plus, you can click on the page icon on your Google Plus dashboard that is displayed on the left of your Google Plus profile, and then choose the Create Page link from the next screen. An easy-to-use interactive wizard will now guide you through the steps of creating your page, similar to the wizard for creating a Facebook business page. 3. Choose appropriate category for your page. In the first step after you click on Create a Page, you will be asked to choose the most appropriate classification for your page. The following options are available: local business or place, product or brand, company, institution, or organization, arts, entertainment, or sports, or other. Choose the right classification for your page. 4. Enter basic info for your page. After selecting your classification, a form to provide basic information about your page will be displayed on the right. Add your information including your page name, i.e., your company name, your address, your phone number, and your category, i.e., your industry. Then accept the terms and click on Create Page link at the bottom of the page. 5. Upload an image for your business page. Google Plus is affiliated with the Picasa photo website. So if you have images of your business there, you can simply drag and drop it onto the setup page. Or you can choose an image from your computer. The image you choose will be used as the icon for your Google Plus page whenever people view your site. It also will be attached to any postings you post. So make sure you use an image that well represents your business, but is not so detailed so that people can't make it out when it is used as a thumbnail image. 6. Build your profile. Google Plus will ask you if you want to share your page with anybody in your circles. More on those in a moment. If you are creating a new page from your personal Google Plus page, these notifications will come from you, not your business page. After you click through this screen, you will be taken to your business Google Plus page. You will then be asked to start building your business profile. At this point, you also can link your business Google Plus page to your business Facebook fan page, its Twitter account, its LinkedIn page, and its Foursquare page, among others. Once you finish your profile, your Google Plus page is technically ready to go and available to be viewed by the public. But because you haven't added any contacts yet, or haven't posted any content, it's unlikely that anybody will be able to find you yet. What you need to do first is to start building your circles. Creating effective circles. Managing your contacts is easy with Google Plus because it allows you to group them according to circles. You can create individual circles for friends, family, acquaintances, employees, vendors, or whatever category you want. Then you can create subcategories within these circles to make it easier to communicate effectively within specific groups, such as customers who prefer certain types of products, groups of employees separated according to their availability, or vendors according to their delivery days, for example. As your business grows, your circles will also expand. So will your ability to manage these groups according to your business's specific needs. Circles keep your business working efficiently. Hangouts and huddles. Have you ever wanted to own your own television network? One that broadcasts programming devoted exclusively to you and your business? Google Plus Hangouts tool allows you to do exactly that. Hangouts is a free web-based video chat program that lets you interact with other users in real time using video and audio feeds that are connected directly to your Google Plus homepage. Although Hangouts currently limits you to 10 chatting with 10 users at a time, this limit is expected to be raised eventually. But you don't have to wait for Google to come out with a new version of Hangouts for you to expand the reach of your video networking. Link your Hangouts to your YouTube channel, and you have an unlimited number of people who can watch your video via YouTube Live. Plus, they can participate by submitting texts that will appear directly on your Hangout video feed. Your Hangouts can be recorded and indexed, making them available for playback on your YouTube channel by anybody at any time. Hangouts lets you provide live video one-on-one video customer service, answering customers' questions or showing them the best ways to use your products. Or you can host webinars for your employees, record them, and make them available online as permanent training modules. Another possibility is creating a video-based frequently asked questions library about your company and its products. Google Plus Hangouts also offers a feature called On Air, which allows you to broadcast and record your Hangout to your YouTube channel. That means that even though each Hangout is limited to 10 participants, including you, an unlimited number of viewers can follow along on YouTube. And viewers have the ability to submit live questions and comments via text. This is like having the ability to create your own interactive television program right from your desktop. On Air also lets you record presentations, meetings, discussions, forums, and other events, and then organize them any way you want, giving your contacts unlimited access to a library of your Hangouts recordings. On Air also allows you to edit the recordings of your Hangouts to remove slower moments, edit out questions, etc. You can even improve production values by adding an introduction or images after the fact, music, and links to other videos or websites. Other business applications for this feature include product showcases and demonstrations, live customer service, product launches, and educational seminars and industry roundtables. Using On Air is simple. All you need to do is click the Start a Hangout button on the top right of your Google Plus page. You will get a prompt asking you to install the free video and audio plugins if you don't already have them. Then you simply send an invitation to the people you want to participate in your Hangout, and you are ready to go on the air, live, with video streamed on your Google Plus profile. Then simply integrate your Hangout with your existing YouTube channel using the link provided, and you are broadcasting to everybody who clicks on that channel. The broadcast will also be recorded, so it can be indexed and saved for future viewing. With the ability to broadcast, record, and store a library of Hangouts using the On Air application, your business can effectively create your own video network devoted exclusively to your company, its products, and services. Some brands already are exploiting this platform to promote their business. Some benefits already created by commercial-based Hangouts include being able to offer exclusive content and behind-the-scenes access, interviews and seminars that allow your customers to get more involved with your brand, live feeds to events and announcements, interactive video blogging, and customer service announcements. Most importantly, having your own video network allows you to build brand loyalty with your customers. Instead of paying to place advertisements in front of potential customers, you can invite your customers to participate in a platform that is one giant commercial for your business. If you ever wonder about the popularity of text messaging, just walk down any busy city street. Internet users have embraced text messaging as the favored way of communicating with other users, even more so than face-to-face conversations or telephone calls. Traditional texting lets you send a single message to another person, but a free Google Plus service called Huddle allows you to send a message to an entire group of people. Then everybody you sent your text to can maintain a conversation with every other member of the group simultaneously. And it's all based on your Google Plus homepage or smartphone app. For example, trying to get a group of friends to decide on which restaurant to meet at can be an ordeal. But with Huddle, you can instantly create a conversation in which everyone can participate. Plus, you can share photos, videos, links to restaurant reviews, online menus, GPS directions, and much more right from your portable device with everybody in the group. Huddle also has mobile marketing applications for business, such as letting you create an ongoing dialogue about your business and its products with an unlimited number of customers selected from your circles. And you can tailor each conversation to each specific group to match their specific interests. Google Plus Analytics. Another free feature, called Ripples, lets you see exactly who is promoting your posts, where they are promoting them, how many people they have in their circles, and what other people are doing with your posts once they receive them, giving you an actual real-time picture of how your business is being perceived on the web. Armed with this critical information, you can design your promotions and postings to follow the most profitable and popular paths. Using Google Events for maximum exposure. Google Events is another free service on Google Plus that lets users get together with friends and colleagues, plan events, and share their experiences during and after the event. With sharp design and the ability to select themes and add photos, video, and other rich text, Events lets users document meetings, parties, and other events. You can even create group photo albums for commemorating special times, online and offline. Events is accessible from your Google Plus homepage. It also lets you keep track of upcoming events, RSVP to events right from your Google Plus page, link to your Google Calendar, and access the event pages of past events. Events lets you build events for your business, including seminars, employee meetings, shareholders events, social events, charitable occasions, special sales, or whatever you want. You can send invitations to all of your contacts or specific circles, or to email addresses. Events will keep track of their responses, so you can know how many people are planning to attend. The service even lets you give your contacts permission to invite other people to the event if you wish, and you can authorize your guests to add photos to the event page. Pre-made themes can be used to build the event invitation page, or you can upload your own, such as your corporate logo or a photo related to your business or products. You can also create an event as a hangout, such as a meeting with groups of customers, vendors, or employees online to discuss a particular topic. Or you can create a public event. Events allows you to add additional fields to your event, such as a link to a website, a ticket seller, a YouTube video, transit or parking information, and other details. Then, before, during, and after the event, you can upload photos and videos to the event page so you can access these photos from both your albums page and the event page. If it is a recurring event, such as an annual meeting or party, you can post pictures from previous events in the new event page. Once more than one photo is added to the page, you can play a live slideshow of all the photos. Another great feature is that Events allows you to share photos and videos from the event in real time if you want. Simply go to the event page and turn on the party mode, and any photos and videos you take there can be instantly shared with everyone at the event. Currently, this feature is only available on Android devices, but it is expected to be made more widely available soon. You can share the event page, including photo albums and videos, with people who weren't originally invited to the event by posting it to your profile and sharing it with any of your circles you want. Another useful app, Google Plus Free Streams, lets you keep up with your business, your competitors, and other topics of interest to you with the click of a button. You can set up permanent RSS-type feeds directly on your Google Plus homepage for any topic you want. Google's gigantic search engine will constantly scour the web for the latest articles, postings, and links related to your topic and post them directly on your page in real time. Sparks is another free tool provided by Google Plus that lets you instantly recommend interesting content you find to your circles. Plus, it provides you with a constant stream of content that people within your network recommend. And it all appears directly on your Google Plus homepage in real time. Paid Google marketing techniques. Google Plus also lets you connect your Google AdWords account to your Google Plus account. This lets you show how many plus ones your ads receive. In addition, people who conduct a search on Google and see your ads on the SERPs will see which ads the people in their circles plus one'd. This lets your pay-per-click marketing take on the structure of a social media marketing campaign. Google also plans to use this as a key metric for your PPC advertising. In order to link these two accounts, you have to turn this feature on in your Google AdWords account by enabling social extensions. You can make your Google AdWords account even more effective by linking it to your Google Plus page so that social signals of your circles can be included in search results. It is another example of how word of mouth has been transformed in the 21st century into social signals. We all make buying decisions based on the advice of our family and friends. Linking AdWords with your Google Plus account just codifies this for the internet age.